So for the arrange command, here you can see here the I am using the NP. NP means, what is the NP means? Suppose I want to generate a data in the range of the 1 to 10, right? So we can generate with the help of the command like a arrange. Okay, so here you can see here the I am using here the NP. NP means
NumPy.
NumPy, yes. So here I am arrange command is the syntax for the arrange command. You can write the start, stop, whatever the start and stop, and you can give the step size. So suppose I want to start from the 1 and I want to stop in the 10, and I want to give the step size 0.5. So I can give 0.5. So here you can suppose you want to generate our data in the range of the 1 to 10 and in the form of the step size 0.5. So I can generate easily. So you can see here, you can see that this is the data, this is your data. Clear or not?
Yes, it's clear. We had started about variable, string, and data type.
We will discuss first. We will. I am taking the all the libraries. Then we will discuss
Oh,
the all the Python basics.
that's great. Okay.
Here I am taking the first the
Yes.
libraries. All the libraries we will discuss like this. You
Okay.
can see here the all the libraries we will take. Then we will go for the Python basics. Okay.
Okay. So NumPy
So
we are going to use for arithmetic
yes.
calculations,
We are
right?
we are we are we are using NumPy. We are using
NumPy, yes.
NumPy, and we are showing the what is the basic operation we can do in with the use of the NumPy. So here I have used
All right.
first command is arrange, right? Suppose I want to data start a data and I want to stop the data with the step size something, so I can generate a data. So you can write also the some more command, some more number. If you want, you can generate here the, suppose I want to generate 1 to 100 with the step size 0.5, so we can generate it. Clear to you or not? This is your data. Clear?
Yes, it is clear.
So we have the other command like a line space. Line space means, so what is the syntax for the line space? Syntax for the line space is
NumPy
space.
line space
Line
start
space is start, stop,
common in
stop,
is also number
and
of points.
number of point. Very good.
Number of
Number of point.
yes.
Yes, number of point. So we can start, stop, and then we can give the number of points. Suppose I want to generate a 1 to 10 data with the same space. So that is why I gave here the 10 number of points. Clear? So we
Okay.
can generate it.
Okay.
Yeah, like this. Suppose I want to generate 1 data in the range of the 1 So we can generate it. So it will automatically adjust your step size based upon your number. So see here,
Yes.
there is some more thing. Suppose you want to reshape your data. Suppose you have a 2D data, 1D data in the form of the 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3 like this, and you want to convert your data in the form of the 2D. So what is the basic
Okay.
here? Basic here is, what is the basic? You can reshape your data in the form of the 3 and 4. You have the data in the form of 3 and 4. So what is the common here? What is the common thing can you see here? Number is the common there. Number is the common. Yes or no? 6 into 2, 3 into 4, 2 into 6, 4 into 3, 1 into 12, 12 into. So number is the common, right? So we can, suppose we can generate the data. We can convert the data into the 1 into 2D. Yes or no? Can we convert? So we can generate a data. So we have
Okay.
data 1 to 24, right? So this is your
All right.
data, and I want to convert the data in the form of the 6 4, right? 6 4. So we can reshape this data, right? Yes or no? Then downward this will come, yes or no? Then downward this will come, then it will convert into this form of the 6 and the 4. Okay. So I can
Okay.
use the reshape command and it will convert the same data in the form of the 6 and 4. See this? Yes or
Yes.
not?
Yes.
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 Clear?
Yes.
Clear to
Yes. It
you?
is clear.
So this is the reshape command. Suppose I have some matrix, right? Suppose this is the matrix, or same matrix you can say. This is this matrix you have, and I want to add 2 in the matrix. So can you do it or not? Can you do it?
Yes, I think
Yes, we can
we
do it.
can.
We
Yes.
can do it. So you can see here the 3, 1 is converted now the 3. Like this, you can divide also. Divide also. You can divide. You can get some same thing. Okay, clear to you? You can give the
Yes.
this. Suppose you want to form like this, the reshape data set. So here this is the F, and I want to
Mm-hmm.
add in the F matrix something too. You can add. You can get it. right? Like this way. Yes or no?
Okay.
Suppose I want to multiply f into 5. You
All
can
right.
get it. Clear? Suppose I want to divide something. So you can get it. Is there any issue? So I am
Yes.
giving to here the one homework for you. Suppose you have a two matrix like this, okay, like this,
Okay.
and you have a two matrix like the same 3 by 3 or 4 by 4, whatever you can. So suppose you want to add those matrix, what is the command you will write? Okay, that is your first homework. Clear?
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
Okay, suppose you want to add those matrix and what command you will write there in the matrix, and suppose you want to find the minimum and maximum number in the matrix. In minimum number and maximum number, what is the minimum number here? 5 and
5.
120. Suppose one more thing here. Suppose I want to generate a random data, not in a sequence. There is a sequence data, right? Suppose you have a situation, you want to generate a random data. Here is the data is the sequence 5, 10, something like that, and I want to generate a random data. So you can use the rand int command. Okay, and suppose you want to reshape the 8 into 3 cross, so you can generate it. Right. Suppose you have a random data and you want to generate minimum and maximum value in that particular matrix. So how you will generate a minimum matrix and minimum number or maximum number? Clear?
Yes, it is clear.
First you need to learn step. We are here. We are completing the all the libraries. Then we will go the basics of the path.
Okay.
Now I have
Okay.
changed the mode. Now I have changed the mode. We are
Okay.
going here
Okay.
the we are doing the all the libraries first. Then we are going
Okay.
to the basics library, because you will know
Okay.
the you will in familiar with the all the Python environment. Then only you can easily get the basics of the Python.
Okay.
Okay.
So, like, how many commands do you have in NumPy?
We have a lot of command, but
A lot of them.
you can generate based upon the problem you can generate it. So there is
Okay.
whatever the basic command in the numpy I will tell you. So these are the basics command. How the
Okay.
reshape, how the do in the matrix in the matriculation, arithmetic matrix in the matriculation. So these are the basics, right? Rending command, how if you want to generate the rending command. So these are the basic command. At least you know the basic na basic commands in the numpy. Based upon the problem you can generate, but at least
Okay.
here I am teaching to you at least basic command you can use in the when you will go for the apply the data set.
Is it possible, like, to import some arithmetic algorithm in this NumPy library or on the other
Yeah, we are
different
doing the
libraries?
arithmetic. No, we are doing the arithmetic operation or not in the matrix.
Is it possible to import by ourselves?
No, you can import. No, you can import here. You write in the first import. You can see here the you can start from the here. You can import numpy as np. Then you can start this command and you will get the solutions. Okay. You can
No,
generate the matrix.
what I mean, if we couldn't find the command that we want, is it possible to import by ourselves to generate any arithmetic formula and import in the NumPy so that it gives us like viable result?
No, 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 no. You need to apply the command na, without knowing the where you want to go. How you can generate the path? Suppose you want to go the somewhere. Suppose you want to come India, right? So you
Yes,
know the
yes,
need. What is the path in the India, right? Without knowing the path, how you can generate it? So that is the same way. Without knowing the what is you want, what is you want to generate, without knowing the command, without knowing the anything for that, how you can generate that same path? Clear or not? So that is the
uh,
command. Everything is responsible for the something, right? Everything is
yes,
responsible. Everything having the some work, some specific work. Suppose manager is one, some manager in the company. You can say manager is responsible for the something, but the staff is responsible for the something.
yes, yes,
Getting my point? So that is the
yes, I get
work
it.
is divided for the everyone. Work is divided for the everyone. So we, if you are doing the work, suppose you have a work like a peon. You need to transfer the file from one cabin to second cabin. So you will ask the peon na? You cannot ask to manager. Suppose I want to
Yes,
generate a command 1 to 10. So I will ask the arrange command na? I cannot ask to the resale. Are you getting
Okay.
my point?
So yeah,
Are you
yeah,
getting
yeah,
my
right.
point?
So
Clear?
like yes, so like if I want to work a new project in this machine learning,
Okay.
what should I have first? Like the computer? Yes, of course. I should have to
Yeah.
have a computer. What else
No, no,
do I
no.
need?
But that thing, that's it. You need to have the, if you need have the Jupyter notebook, then you can start working. You can import data
Yes.
easily. You can import data. You can play the data. You can work in the data.
Why I'm
Mm-hmm.
asking this question because like I have a research program.
Mm-hmm.
So for my research program, like I want to work in the one that I have said to you, like to predict the compressive strength of concrete using the machine learning. That is
Mm-hmm.
the title. So
Mm-hmm.
there is a fund.
Dear, dear,
So
dear, wait here, wait here.
yes, I want to
Wait here.
utilize.
You cannot work. You are not in the position to work any the project now. You
Okay.
are now in the position of learning first.
Yes,
First, you
yes.
need to learn. Then you can work the project. You are thinking here. You are thinking here. I will do the all the machine learning. I know all these things and I can apply the machine learning algorithm. I can give the result for the my supervisor. No, you can't do it now
Yeah,
because
you
you
are
are
right.
not knowing the anything for this. First you need to learn these libraries. You need to
Oh,
learn the Python basics.